morning. My name is Jaroslav and we are more than happy to welcome you to IWT. Do you know who this person is? It is Carlo Bernardini, the founder of Techniplus Group, where IWT belongs, a company that places people at the center of its business. At Techniplus, we continuously improve our business operations, always striving for innovation and evolution. We believe that success of our business is driven by individual efforts, strong teamwork, and sincere communication with our customers. Today, the company is run by the second generation, Edoardo, Sandro, and Pietro, has over 1,500 employees and 95,000 square meters of production area, and is working to grow even further. Do you want to know something more about IWT? Please follow me.
Good morning, I'm Luca Fumagalli, I'm the area manager of Americas, and welcome to IWT Training Center. In the world of pharmaceutical and biotech manufacturing, precision, safety and efficiency are not just requirements, they are essential. IWT Pharma offers a comprehensive suite of solutions designed to meet and exceed the industry standards, ensuring sterility, compliance and process reliability.
From advanced CGMP cleaning machines to state-of-the-art decontamination pass boxes and high-performance isolators, IWT delivers cutting-edge solutions that keep your production processes safe, efficient, and fully compliant. With over 30 years of expertise in high-performance cleaning solutions, IWT provides equipment engineered for the thorough and efficient washing and drying of critical components, from filling lines and tableting machine parts to drums, glassware, and plasticware.
Every cycle is optimized for performance. Thanks to rotating spraying arms and tailor-made loading racks, our machines ensure complete coverage and residue-free cleaning of your product contact parts. The control system continuously monitors water pressure, arms rotation and final rinse quality for a total process reliability. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and compliance with the latest current good manufacturing practice. When it comes to transferring materials between classified areas, sterility is non-negotiable. The Nexus decontamination pass box ensures a safe and effective material biodecontamination, including 6-lock microbial reduction using hydrogen peroxide in a vapor phase.
Nexus is designed for flexibility, available in multiple configurations and seamlessly integrated with existing HVAC system. It guarantees pressure gradient management, preventing cross-contamination between areas of different classifications. With H14 HEPA filters and inflatable seals, ensuring complete air thickness, the system operates with maximum efficiency while keeping operational costs low. Designed with cutting-edge technology, IsoCare ensures maximum product protection. With an integrated VHP decontamination Siemens and automated leak testing and ergonomic design for operator comfort, it offers unmatched efficiency and reliability. Safety and compliance comes standard across all our solutions, from lockable access panels and intuitive HMI controls to an advanced audit trace system with CFR Part 11 and EU Annex 11 compliance. IWT's equipment is designed to protect your process, personnel, and products. Experience a new era of pharmaceutical cleaning and containment. Experience IWT's advanced solutions engineered for excellence, designed for your success.
Find out more about IWT visiting our website iwtpharma.com and join our LinkedIn page to stay tuned on our latest development. Enjoy, bye bye.
Bye bye.